Here's a 3-on-2 for the moment. Riley Nash down low for Bellemare. He put it right on. Long rebound out to Ruda. He wristed one wide. The horn went off, but that didn't go in. And everybody stops.
You can almost feel the confusion in here. The horn goes off. People are cheering. They're not even really sure what they're cheering because they know the puck didn't go into the net.
The call on the ice is no goal. We stopped the play because of the horn.
Well, that pretty well